Hey, what's going on, guys? This is another review. This is week 4, actually. And if you take a look at my previous videos, you will see that this is actually quite incredible based off of the length as well as the thickness. So, like, literally, I would say the density of my beard is really changing. So I'm just going to brush my hair over here so you can kind of see this. And again, go back to the other videos so you can see this is just not a joke. This is about as full as I've ever seen my beard, and certainly as long as I've ever seen my beard. Now, don't worry about the other parts of my hair. I just got done lifting weights, so I look crazy. But this is not for look. This is just to show you guys that, dude, this works, man. I mean, this really works. I've been going back and forth between two products, one called Beard Wash, the other one called Zeus. I think I prefer Zeus over Beard Wash, but what I do, because I know a lot about the skin, what I do is I actually bounce back and forth between Beard Wash by Barbman and Zeus. What that does is it keeps my skin happy and it keeps my hair follicles guessing. It's no different than what you do in the gym. In the gym, you have to have something called supercompensation happen for your body to respond to the stimulus that you're giving it, right? Well, it's this, in my opinion, based off of what I have seen and also what I've learned about the skin, is this the same exact thing. Your beard, your facial hair needs to supercompensate based off of a certain stimulus that you're providing. In this case, that stimulus has been what do you call it? The derma roller, which comes with a 0.3 millimeter several kind of class of blades that you can't feel necessarily penetrate your skin, but you can feel a small pricking sensation to let you know that it's working. Now, I don't have that with me right now. I'm actually on vacation at my parents' house. Yes, on vacation at my parents' house, about to go do some anniversary stuff. It's me and my wife's 1-year anniversary, but I forgot my derma roller on purpose because I don't want to bring it with me because you have to clean it every time you utilize it. But my skin is now very used to this process, so I don't necessarily have to use the derma blades as much anymore. And you will learn that for yourself. The law of individualization states that every human is different based off of our DNA, right? So with that being said, the way that mine has worked, and again, I am a sensitive skin dude, okay? Go back to all my videos that talk about my testimonial. I'm very sensitive skin, okay? If this can work for me, and if this can soften my beard, I mean, my beard is soft, bro. It will work for you. I can almost go on a limb and almost promise that this is going to work for you. The 2 beard washes are key. You cannot do this alone with oils. I'm sorry, to the product. What's this product called again? Oh yeah, Youcopia. You're great. You're absolutely awesome. You have absolutely helped my beard. But I believe with Youcopia, plus the Haitian black castor oil, 3 drops. If you go back to my videos, you'll see. And the normal regimen, which is recommended by Youcopia, which is 6 to 7 drops. I feel with the beard wash coming first, this makes this product so very powerful. Okay, this is 4 weeks of growth. You go back to video 1, you're going to see the patchiness. You might even be able to tell that the beard is not healthy in and of itself. Now you see, I'm starting to get that Zeus effect, right? It's starting to kind of poke out from the front, and I can actually pull on my beard. It's about 1 inch. It's about 1 inch hanging right here, which is awesome, man. So I look like a freaking grizzly bear, which is kind of the point, right? And this is the winter season, right? So the bears, they hibernate during that season, but this bear, I've been working out strong as well as getting this beard all together. So I'm very pleased, honestly, with this process. Couldn't be more pleased. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my beard with Zeus. I'm not gonna go through the whole process like I typically do on my reviews, but you know what I'm doing here. I'm putting a drop of Zeus in my palm, massaging it through my hair follicles gently as if though I was massaging any part of my body. And then after that, I'm going 6 drops with Youcopia 3 drops with Haitian black castor oil, and then I'm going to brush it in, and it gives this wonderful tingling sensation which makes your skin feel very, very fresh and clean. I absolutely adore that side of it. Okay, so with that being said, this is week number 4. As promised, I have not missed a week because this is my beard project. Hopefully yours goes just as well as mine has. Coach Jay, we'll talk soon. Peace.